When you get to the bottom of your very favorite candle, do not throw it away. You can refill it and continue to use the vessel that you like. Today I'm going to show you how I refill my candles with these non-toxic, amazing refills from Siblings. I'm so excited to try this scent. It's called Blackberry Crush. Perfect for spring. And I'm going to try one of their brand new wooden wicks. Let me show you how I do it. Oh, you smell those blackberries? Everything comes in the bag, so you get the wick, you get this little doodad to hold the wick, although we're going to use the wooden wick, and then the wax is just in here, and we're going to heat it up in the microwave. Okay, we're going in the microwave for 2 minutes. It already smells amazing. You can just let it sit for a couple of hours until the wax hardens, or if you're in a hurry like me, you can stick it in the refrigerator, and then I will light it and show you how it looks.